Hi, we are Gen 6, and you're watching JM Entertainment Exclusives.
Hi, I'm Gen 6 Leo, the main rapper and lead dancer of the group.
Hello everyone, I am Jayo. I am the main dancer and the lead vocalist.
Hi everyone, I'm the leader and the lead vocalist of Gen 6. I'm Chris.
Hello everyone, I'm Gen 6 Kiyo, the main vocal and face of the group of Gen 6.
Hi everyone, I am Gen 6 Revi and I'm the lead vocal and lead dancer of the group.
Hello everyone, my name is Aki. I'm the lead rapper and vocals of the group, and we are
Gen 6.
So, this concert and syempre po yung album ay hindi naman naging madali since lahat naman ng mga nire-release namin ay pinaghahandaan talaga namin. And dumating sa point na sa sobrang dami naming gustong ipakita sa fans ay umaabot na rin kami ng mga madaling araw. And okay lang din naman sa amin since para rin naman sa ikagaganda ng ire-release namin. And ayun, sana maging successful and magustuhan ng mga fans.
Ang favorite ko po ay yung Ikaw Kasi.
Ako din.
Sample.
Lahat kami, Ikaw Kasi.
Sample.
5, 6, 7.
Ikaw kasi wala namang matulong sa larin. La 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 la, biglang napakanta ang puso kong tahimik.
Wow.
Siguro yung share ko na lang is yung nag-training kami ng buo. Like, NXT, Aster, and Gen 6. Ayun, sobrang memorable nung araw na yun, nag-training kami kasi sobrang fun kasama ng mga tao, and also yung mga staff din and mga backup dancer, sobrang approachable lahat. And then, wala, parang ginagawa lang talaga namin yung gusto namin, nag-enjoy lang kami, and then at the same time meron kaming isang goal, ganyan. And then yung sa album, yung pagbuo ng album siguro ang may share ko lang dun is actually bago mabuo ang name ng Love Laps, nag-away-away hindi naman nag-away-away nag-share ng mga thoughts, and then nagkaroon kami ng tatlong pagpipilian, which is yung isa is yung Love Struck, and then Time Lapse, and then yung yun. Tsaka yung tapos hanggang sa pinagsama-sama namin yung mga idea, and then nabuo yung Love Lapse. Yun lang.
Ako pa personally, when I heard it the first time that there will be a new trainees from Arcana Studios, I was really excited because there will be a brother group. Kasi parang for the longest time, ayan, kami lang po yung nasa Arcana Studios na group, and looking for this new experience, parang super exciting niya, and also may makakasama na kaming brother group. So ayun, exciting po, and we are looking for their debut soon. Yun lang po.
Yes po. So para sa aming mga souls, and syempre ang iba't iba naming solo fandom, Revenis, Akitens, Kiopta, Crystals, Jayuris, and Loyalties. Yes. And maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta sa amin. And ngayon nga po, sineselebrate natin ang ating first year anniversary as officially debuted P-pop group. And masasabi ko lang ay sobra-sobra po naming na-appreciate lahat ng efforts nyo, lahat ng pagpunta nyo, lahat ng pag-share nyo sa aming mga pinopost online sa social media. And sana po ay patuloy nyo kaming suportahan. And ito pong concert na to, inaalay po namin ito sa inyong lahat. Pinaghandaan po namin ito na sobra, and sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo and suportahan nyo pa po kami hanggang dulo. And I would just like to syempre plug pa rin ang aming mga social media account at Gen 6 Official. Syempre, you can follow us also in our individual account, Gen 6 _ Revi, Aki, Kiyo, Chris, Jayu, and Leo. And syempre po, don't forget to stream sa any music streaming platforms ang aming mga songs. I-release na rin po kasabay ng buong album. So, abangan niyo po yun. Maraming salamat, guys. Love you all.
Until the end, we are
Gen 6! Salamat po!